Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. Now in this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch Kodi on Android TV. So the first thing to do is to get the Kodi app, of course. So get to Google and search for Kodi. Oh no, not VLC, Kodi. So type in Kodi. And you find Kodi app right here in the suggestions. Click on the one that has play.google.com. And when you get in, you're going to see an install button right here. In my case, I have an open button because I have the application already installed. Now, if you do not have the application installed, just click on open. That's after installation. If you do not have it installed, install it. And when it's done installing, you find in your app library, or you could just hit the open button right there. And this app loading up. So be patient. It may take a couple of seconds, but the app is going to load up. And right here, you could put your link. So you could enter add-on browser, remove this main menu item. So you have to set up Kodi. Now it could be for TV, as you see, radio, games, add-ons. So from here you could watch the app. So you could enter an add-on browser if you wish to, and you could use any host link to watch the content you're willing to stream on Kodi app. Now that's it for this video. If you found this insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.